Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to take a review about Africgold. I know a lot of people have invested their money on Africgold. Yeah, I'm also one of the victims. Before I wanted to make a tutorial on it, either it was legit or not. So I fall into victim, and today I don't want anyone should fall in victim, so I'm going to explain the full details about Africgold. Now let's search about Africgold and even see. As you can see, it's on my browser to see that I'm also a member. Africgold is not a legit site. It's just like an affiliate program which actually you can only earn while referring. So if you don't want to fall victim, so if anyone refer you, you will wholly earn, you will not earn anything. Now let me show you one thing. Let me log into my account and see. You will see that I have registered like now. It's about 3 months ago. I have 13,000 in my account, in my dashboard. I mine 436 times. As you can see, I mined 436 times. I have 13,000 in my wallet. So this is the 13,000 I have in my wallet. So you have to be careful when investing, or I'm not an investor advisor and I can't tell you not to invest your money. Now they have been promising to pay miners, and up to now, up to date, there is nothing like even paying miners. Don't let any vendor motivate you, because those vendor will motivate you that they will pay you something like that, and you end up earning nothing. As you can see, this is my dashboard. So now I'm going to explain full details how this thing work. Now, if any of you must know about Ponzi sketch site. So Ponzi scam site. Now let me explain about Ponzi sketch site. Ponzi sketch site is a site which the early investors are only get paid, and this one is not even the early investors, because I can say I'm one of the early investors, but up to now I couldn't get paid. Now let me explain in full details. If you actually don't even try and invest your money on this site. So now as you can see, I'm coming. So now read this: an early investment switch in which early investors are get paid. That is the full details of early. But this one is just, it's not even that, because if I can show you now, I have invest now at least it's up to like 2 to 3 months, because I invest since November or October. So to save your capital and to don't let anyone use sweet mouth to deceive you, because that's how those Africa vendors, they make millions of naira while referring you, and you make nothing while wasting your data mining. I hope you will help me share this video to go viral and like to go global, so that anyone should not fall in victim. Thank. And one thing again is, it's not only about Afrigold. Whenever they tell you this site is Nigerian site, please just avoid it. That is why I do tutorial on my YouTube channel, to make anyone should not fall in victim. And even the tutorial I do, I will not ask you to invest. One thing, because I'm not a financial advisor, so be careful with the type of website you invest in.